Oh, welcome. This is William of Homes Business Central, the YouTube channel there. I also have a channel on Rumble and pretty much another social platforms such as Smooze, Locals, Gab, and various other channels. Because the thing is as we pass in the point of no return as America is deliberately being driven over the cliff, or the train going over the cliff, as we see there in the gift there. It's in the video. The thing is, I've kind of been monitoring for at least a year, 2, 3 years on these proverbial people that are disguise themselves as angels of light, ministers of the truth there, but their faith has been pretty much compromised, as well with the word salad that they've been opening up, promoting with the various compromised beliefs. They present them out on a daily basis. The bottom line there is I won't trust these people. Leave my wife alone with them there. It's like if I had a wife there, since I'm pretty much single, and I wouldn't be leaving my girlfriend alone with these people. Since if I had a girlfriend there. And, obviously these people shouldn't being trusted around your children or around kids as well managing a full-blown ministry, since they kind of pretty much bled blabbed out their being really kind of things that they're openly admitting to. And it's what it all boils down to, that these people, the kind of conversations, how they talk, they talk like Papists, or they talking like pretty much Roman Catholics. Or they're Jesuit trained, they trained in colleges, just to prey on the people there. And as far as I see it, they shouldn't be sending these people money there. As far as these truth tellers that post articles on before this news, and such other channels out there, which some of them are pretty much the Q moment there. Just the last videos I've done there is about the predictive programming on some of these TV shows and movies and cartoons, as well with apocalyptic war films that are openly discussed in 1983, mainly the TV movie The Day After, and other such shows as Ladybug, and this other 50s show, Panic in Year Zero. The shows that I'm talking about, like to discuss, is another of the movies, and also 1983, and another one was the Special Bulletin, which depicts a nuclear device being set off somewhere in South Carolina. And another one was a testament where a small town family is sort of witnessing something on the TV that goes with totally news reports of nuclear devices set up and down the eastern seaboard. Make no bones about this. There's probably possibly happening there with the showdown with Russia. And pretty much nobody really wants to talk about this war we're having with the country that should not be named, since they kind of released this pathogen worldwide 2 years ago. As some talking heads such as Paul Cottrell is kind of talking about educating the masses, which let's talk about this incident, what happened with Plum Island. Was that the result of some pathogen being released, such as Lyme disease? Well, there was a documentary back in 2010. I believe it was Jesse Ventura, where he did an in-depth investigation on looking at what was going on with Plum Island, with the biolab there. That was on within the continental United States. Of course, make no bones about it, there's other biolabs in other countries. This is pretty much a collaborative effort just to take down civilization, all about ending humanity as we know it. And it's at one point that do we continue on trusting these whistleblowers or these dot connectors, since some of them are kind of spiritually compromised themselves, since they involve themselves deliberately with other associates there that are also involved with the dark arts, which it's pretty much evident it's demonic there as well. So if you want to discount the Bible and say it was probably much manipulated there, but the only Bible you should probably go on there is the King James Version, is 1611 there. Because the things that's been put out on a lot of that stuff with the various translations. Well, you got the ESV, you got Good News for Modern Man, and you got the NIV. You just got so many doctored up translations that it's all just about to confuse people spiritually. It's all about that, and it's it all points right back what's going on within Rome. And within Rome was the Vatican City here, and that's consort. It's my name's William Trotsky. I own the website stomachspirits.com. If you like my videos or if you want more access to me, just make some subscribe to my Patreon channel, or send me email if you want to collaborate or do some kind of partnership. My website's stomachspirits.com. stomachspirits.com has a lot of free articles on entrepreneurship and tips for success there. So this is William Trotsky, just signing off there and letting you know, don't forget to shake the money tree.